back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today in this video I'll be answering all of the questions that were asked on my Instagram story. I posted a Q&A on my Instagram story a day ago, and guess what, I've got plenty of replies, and I know I'll not be able to answer each one of them, so I shortlisted a few of them and I'll be answering each one one by one. And to see more interesting stories and watch my life update, follow me here. Okay, so here are the list of questions that I've got, and I'll try to answer each one. Okay, so the first question goes like, what do you study? So currently I study Bachelor's of Pharmacy in Charoset Changa, and I'm in the second year, 4th semester. The second question goes like, what is your favorite travel spot? So I have a big list where I really want to go places to, but one of them, my personal favorite, is the Bora Bora island that is French Pennsylvania. That is basically overwater stay and adventure, and I hope I can make it to that place one day. The third question goes like, what are your opinions on feminism? So for me, feminism is equality. Feminism means having common sense. It's the idea that everyone is equal and everyone deserves to be given the equity. Like, it's not only just about women getting the equality, it's also about the men that should get the equality. It's not just about the women issues, it's also about the men issues. Like, for example, if a man wants to do a job that is associated with women, that is related or approach to women more, like a nurse, so they should be allowed to do the job. The same goes with women. Like, if the women wants to do a job of construction worker, that is basically and typically a man's perspective of job, so they should be allowed to do. And so basically feminism is portrayed in a bad light, and that needs to be changed. That's feminism for me. What is your favorite web series? Okay, that's a tough question, I guess. There are plenty of web series that are my favorite, but the last month I watched Dark on Netflix, and that has an amazing concept. I really loved it, and that's a new concept, so I'll go with Dark. Yeah, this one's a bit funny. Are you son of Nana Patekar?
What? What the fuck?
Okay, weird. What do you miss the most about your college? Okay, so I miss attending lectures, I miss bunking the classes, I miss wearing lab coat and attending practicals, and I also miss the person that is writing this. What are your opinion on hashtag cancel board exams 2021? So I feel they should be treated the same way we were. The exams should be offline, and it should be in the same way the way we gave. So it should be physical examination, and no matter what the situation is, I don't care, and the exam should be physical. Okay, I'm kidding. As far as concerned about the situation, the examination should not be offline. It's dangerous for everyone. So rather safety first and पढ़ाई तो बाद में भी होती है. So let's just go with online examinations or mass promotion. College कब खुलेगी? Sorry bro, I don't know क्योंकि चाचा विधायक नहीं है हमारे. But I hope college जल्दी खुले and I really want to go to college now. It's been years now. I really want to go. Yeah. So, what is your favorite childhood memory? Oh, so my favorite childhood memory is when in school time we used to get 2 months of summer vacation, and I remember like when me and my friends used to go out of our society bicycle, and we used to go to swimming clubs, and later in the evening we used to play cricket, have baraf ka gola. And I remember like we used to go home just for lunch and dinner, and every full day we used to be outside. We used to play, we used to hang out, we used to have snacks, and it was the best childhood memory. Like that was the best. What inspired or pushed you to start a YouTube channel? So amidst the pandemic last year, I wish I could do something and just keep myself busy. The whole year from April to December, I did not do anything productive, and I really wanted to start something. I started focusing on my fitness, I started journaling, I started painting, I started everything that I could do, and later I gave a thought to myself to be more productive and be more exploring sort of selves, and that is why I thought of starting YouTube and explore my options. So that is what is my story of starting a YouTube channel. Okay, who is your boyfriend? Okay mom, I'm not answering this. I'm sorry. Let's just move on to the next question. So what is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is running, clicking some pictures and listening to music every day. So let's just move on to the last and final question of the evening. So what is the most hilarious memory? So it was 2 to 3 years ago when I got a chance to have a night out with my cousins, and it was really late that night, and one of my cousins started a horror story, and after that the story kept on increasing. The horror stories kept on continuing, and suddenly one of my cousins started telling about the Watchmen story. I know they keep on saying "Jaagte raho" every time they walk out. So that was one of the hilarious story. They scared the shit out of me, and that was the most hilarious memory of. So that was end to the Q&A session. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment the best part, share this with your friends. Also subscribe and press the bell icon, so every time I post new videos you'll get notified. And that was the end of the session. I hope you have a good day, and don't forget to wear a mask, maintain social distance, use sanitizers, and stay hydrated. Keep loving, keep watching, stay tuned. See you in the next.